Thank you for making the time to watch how the Alice Receptionist solution is automating, modernizing, and securing manufacturing companies' lobbies. Most executives know that there is an artificial intelligence revolution happening in business. The proactive manufacturing companies that implement our narrow AI technology using our AI avatar greeters in their lobby solution will impress their visitors with this new technology. The AI avatar will greet each visitor and instruct them how to connect with the department or employee they are there to see. This same technology is being implemented in many corporate training programs in 2023. The companies that embrace this AI technology will rise to the top, and those manufacturing companies who don't will be left behind. This investment is saving manufacturing companies close to $200,000 within the first 4 years of implementing our technology. The Alice Receptionist solution is the only enterprise visitor management lobby software solution that brings manufacturing companies into the future by implementing these cutting-edge technologies. 1. Artificial intelligence. 2. Automated motion detection. 3. Video two-way communication. 4. Lobby video surveillance. We recommend that your company create and upload a branding company video that either tells your company's history and evolution, or promotes your culture, your mission, and your corporate philanthropy, or promotes your company's best products or services. This video would be a looping video that would always be playing when no visitor was in front of the Alice interactive kiosk. It's your corporate commercial. As soon as a visitor stands in front of your Alice kiosk, the motion detection technology begins. Your lobby visitor gets greeted by a pre-recorded welcome video from the AI avatar. The avatar will begin with pre-recorded instructions on what the lobby guest should do next. This is a customized message with your company name mentioned. The AI avatar can interact with your lobby visitors in 9 different languages. Amazing! AI video greeters have become advanced enough to craft visually stunning and intellectually engaging lobby guest instructions. They will instruct your lobby visitor how to connect to the employee or department they are there to see. It's time for your lobby guests to sign in and register themselves on the kiosk. The Alice Receptionist lobby solution has made it easy for all visitors of any age. Alice Receptionist will provide powerful, clear, and easy-to-use visitor registration instructions. Just think, your manufacturing lobby will have one of the few lobby kiosks that has two-way communications with visitors and employees. The functionality is similar to a Zoom business meeting at your desk or a Ring home doorbell conversation in your home. Alice connects the visitor, the vendor, the sales executive, or the investor to the employee or the department they are there to see. Alice will detect when the visitor enters your company's lobby. It will notify your employee when the visitor completes the check-in process. Alice easily connects visitors and employees via live two-way video or through a phone-to-kiosk conversation. Alice also protects all employees by validating every visitor through one-way remote visual verification, through registration, validating a government-issued ID validation, through a database screening. All of these validations are captured for future visitor reports. These validations further protect your employees and company with modern security protocols. Lastly, you can also have your visitor sign any document or take any survey on the kiosk. You can also have maps, directories, website links, local weather updates, images, galleries, photo slideshows, and more. The Alice Receptionist interactive lobby solution can be very simple. Just connect a visitor to an employee or as robust as your company would like. That's up to your company. Just know that the iPad competitors are 3 to 5 years behind in technology, engagement, and in security when it comes to a modernized lobby solution. Book a demo on this page by filling out your name, phone number, email, and company name, or call our office at 702-2847-375. One of our experts will respond quickly and set a date with you and your company. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.